Introducing the 2025 Volkswagen Tayron Edition 75 7-seater 2.0tdi DSG with 150 horsepower. This stunning grey estate Jeep boasts a 2-litre diesel engine and automatic transmission, perfect for any adventure. With only 2, 4, 5, 15 kilometres on the clock, this vehicle is practically brand new. Loaded with comfort and safety, features like satellite navigation, collision avoidance braking and lane departure warning, you can drive with peace of mind. The sleek design includes chrome accents and roof rails for added style. Rest assured, this Volkswagen has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Call us or visit our website, mullingerautos.ie, for more information today.